Are you looking for the best men's tennis shoes? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best men's tennis shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best men's tennis shoe overall. Although there is a newer version of the Gel Resolution, below, I still think the Resolution 9's accommodating fit, comfort, and stability makes it the best shoe for most people. In testing the Gel Resolution 9 over 2 dozen hard court and about half as many clay court sessions, I found it easy to pivot and change directions quickly while feeling planted and stable. While it may not feel feathery, it's one of the lightest shoes on this list at 14.1 ounces in a men's size 9. I'm a player who favors shot making from the baseline, but the Gel Resolution's secure fit helped me with more aggressive play, like rushing the net or pushing the pace with quicker rallies. I also have a tendency to drag my toe, so durability is the first thing I look for in a shoe. I have burned holes in the same spot, on top of my left big toe, through many different pairs over the past 15 years, but I haven't had that issue with the Gel Resolution. One of my favorite features is its wide, cushioned tongue, which hugs the top of my foot and doesn't budge after long playing sessions. For those reasons, I think it's a fantastic choice for players of all playing styles, and it's also offered in wide sizes. Mason says that when customers come into his shop looking for a pickleball or paddle shoe, both of which are also played on a hard court, he recommends the Gel Resolutions for their cushioning. Number 2. Best tennis shoe for plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis, when the band of tissue that connects the heel bone to the toes gets inflamed, can keep you off the court. With it, it can feel excruciating to do simple movements like pushing off and landing. If your plantar fasciitis is manageable and your doctor has given the green light to continue playing, you should shop for shoes with cushioning in the heel, thick soles, and extra padding to reduce shock. I think this Babolat shoe checks all 3 boxes because it is designed with thermoplastic rubber and a tube compression system beneath the heel for exceptional shock absorption. This model is cut slightly on the wider side, which is convenient if plantar fasciitis requires you to fit custom orthotics, extra cushioned socks, or inserts into the shoe. Number 3. Most comfortable tennis shoe. If you prioritize comfort on the court more than any other criteria, I recommend these shoes from New Balance. Tong says the Fresh Foam X Lab V2, which are available in both standard and wide sizing, are the softest, most cushiony, most bouncy shoe you can have in tennis. It might take you a few sessions to break them in. Tong says that it took me a couple of minutes to get my feet into the shoes the first time because they are so firm when brand new. But he explains that rigidness is a sign of a good tennis shoe and not something to be alarmed by. You want them to hold onto you and be tight around the whole foot. You can't have too much movement or else you will get blisters and a black toe. He compares the feel of the Fresh Foam Lab to wearing a soft, comfortable ski boot in that both are very supportive and snug. They have another fan in Greg Pearson, owner of Tiki Tennis in Islamorada, Florida, who has worn all brands of tennis shoes, but finds these New Balances the most comfortable of the bunch.